Guys, so some of this stuff was from yesterday. I just threw it in a pile today. I just got back from the thrift store, and I was talking to the guy that works there in the back, and I was showing him to him about this computer, telling him how it's really slow, and because we just talk about stuff sometimes, and he's like, "Oh, that shouldn't be that slow," and this was a couple of days ago. He was like, I think I have a bunch of those processors laying around. I'm never going to do anything with them. So he's like, yeah, I'll bring them in. Well, I seen him today thinking maybe he would bring them in. And he did not. He says, like, oh, I totally forgot. And he says, let me put it on my calendar. He's like, I'll put a note on there. So I told him who I was. The guy doesn't know me or anything like that. I just told him my name, He's like, oh, cool. I'll put it down on here. And so he says he thinks he has a 7700 or 77 something or other. And whatever that's going to be, he's the guy that works there. He's really into computers, like as far as like, nice ones, and when he looks at a computer like this, he prices it. He's the one that priced this because he's like, this is old. So this stuff doesn't mean much to him. Anyway, so he might actually end up giving me more than one processor, so that would be kind of cool. I don't know if that's what's wrong with this or not. Right now it says it's on. I don't have a display. Let me go ahead and reset this thing. See all these little things that light up on the damn thing in random places. This video card is so old that it's no longer supported by ATI Radeon or AMD. I forget which card it is. I have a 4550. We can read it. HD 4550 512 DDR3. I bought that card, I don't even know what year. Quite a while ago. It's possible I bought that card 2009, 10, 11, or 12, somewhere around there. Anyway, and it's never been an impressive card even back then, but it's perfectly fine. I have another card, 2 GB card that's newer. But my main reason to put this card in this thing was because this has an embedded graphics card with an HDMI and DisplayPort. This is the VGA monitor. I just want to use VGA. I'm probably going to have to get rid of this monitor. And it actually has a little dink in it. Why is this thing on? But there's nothing on the display. That's really interesting. So, this thing's been on all day, all night. And we have nothing. It's apparently sleeping. Okay, anyway. So I found this today in Aught Light. It didn't have a price on it. I had to tell the guy, hey, how much is this? Oh, it didn't put a price on it. It's a bunch of settings on the back. Anyway, let me plug this thing in. So this is got a temperature, the day. It's actually got the correct information on it. The only thing that's wrong is the clock. It's pretty cool. So it appears to be fairly bright. And it's flexible. I got it sitting over here kind of funny. There's some other things it does. I seen this thing light up also. Okay, so from the back you can do that. Okay. We have I don't know what the up and down keys do. Cool. Oh, okay. It actually reads the right time now. Menu and then brightness. Oh. Wow. Oh, look at that. So this one does that. I don't know, that's weird. But what I like about it is that it's going to be good for working on things. You know, put something here and you can look at it a little better. Oh, it changes color. Weird. So we could turn this thing off. I don't know how to turn it off. Okay. I don't know, it's just like there's an ambient sensor here. I'm gonna unplug it. So I got that. I bought this battery charger because it was $1.49. Go test this. I get this charger here from Brian. I don't know. I'm not sure if I like how it works or not. I can't tell. But you can charge a lot of batteries at once. Okay. Well, I cannot read that display. That sucks. Oh, there we go. So you have to have 2 batteries in this for these kind of work usually. I don't know what 8 means. Hours to charge. Or does it mean something else? Because there's an X. Okay. Trade. So yeah, it won't do anything unless both. Well, I think it's bad. That's what it's telling me. Alright, so it seems to work fine. I tested it on the meter. The batteries are charged. So I just need to find some other batteries that aren't charged. So this is $249. It's quite a bit of Cat 5e. It says it's 30 meters. I think this was probably from a video camera, security camera set, and Ethernet security camera. I found this too, the Wi-Fi camera. Have to check it out and see if it's any good or not. And then found this here at the other thrift store. It has a USB, an SD card, an auxiliary in, and I've not tried it yet, but it was $1.99, and I think they're about $39. under different names on Amazon and eBay. This one says Burnester. And then a cable that I can use here and eliminate this adapter that's going to this HDMI. So we'll try that here in a minute. All right, it works. So that gets a little bit of the bulk off of here. And then now I can take this adapter and use it for something else. I figured for $249, I don't think you can get one on Amazon. So now this one here, I just need to find another Allen screw for the foot. I've already tested it and it works, so that's cool. I have another one like it, but I don't think it has the laser on it. So you'll have to open this thing and get calibration points too. You'll have to open it and probably change the battery. I don't think it runs off of the Ryobi battery. I don't know if I have a Ryobi battery out here. But good to have a jigsaw for sure. Let me see. Oh, here's the other one. Okay, so this one does not have the laser. Here's the Ryobi battery. I don't know if it's any good. Okay. Let's see here. All right, so this is what we have. They're very similar. This one has the laser. That one does not. Now that is real handy if you have it calibrated good. This has the tool holder back here. Looks like this one might have had it, and it's just gone. Yeah, this is gone. So I was pretty sure. See, like they're right there. So there's even a tool here on this one. I didn't even notice that. This one got left out and got rusted up, and it's crooked. So these are really, really touchy. Just not really a good design. But I'm not usually doing precision work with these anyways. But yeah, so I'll just pull one of these and put it in the other one or whatever one I'm going to use. But they're great because they have the quick release and they take both types of jigsaw blades. This one has the screw on the foot. So this one's actually in a little bit nicer shape than the other one. I think I paid the same price for both of them. Either way, pretty cool. Let's try the laser. Alright, so I'm wondering if maybe the laser runs off the battery. Oh, it sure does. Dude, that's freaking awesome. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Awesome. Nice. So you don't have to replace any kind of battery in the tool itself. Now, I've looked for these before, you know, to buy them new, and they're fairly expensive. Let me go take a look and see what does a new version of this cost. Let's have a look. Alright, so the newest, latest, greatest Ryobi jigsaws are actually not too expensive, depending on what you want. Some of these are pre-owned. What I've noticed though about a lot of their newer stuff doesn't have a very nice feel to it. Orbital jigsaw. So another important thing is zero to 2100. From 0 to 2100. I just looked at the price is still on this other one. $549 for one, $649 for other. Tool only. This one is $129. This one's $69. This one is some other type, which is kind of interesting design. This one is $99. This one's corded. $79. I've got a couple corded ones. I hate them. $109, $238. So if you wanted to buy an affordable jigsaw today, you'd probably be somewhere in the $159 range if you wanted one with a battery. And these are also brushless, which honestly I'm not a fanboy of at all. But anyway, Ryobi is starting to do this 40 volt, 80 volt crap. They don't make the best tools in the world, but it's certainly better than, a lot of stuff, you know. So the $69 one, you could buy one for $69. Now, not all of these are variable speed either. So, like, when you get into certain ones, it's either on or off, you know, or they'd have, like, a little speed wheel somewhere else. Especially with the older corded ones. Variable speed trigger. Onboard LED work light. Tool-free blade release. Non-marking shoe. So, I think for what I paid, you know, a pretty good deal. I wonder if we could find one of the old ones for sale. With Ryobi jigsaw, Ryobi orbital jigsaw with laser right here. Oh, this is way back in the day. And these ones were cool because they had like a little dust collector thing on the back. These ones here don't have that ability, but I had a corded one too. And see how it's that wheel right here? And that's your variable speed right there. It's fucking annoying. So I cannot use tools like that. I've just gotten used to. Here's one on Macari or whatever. That one is the P521. I don't know. P521. And the other one is a P520. So basically, $53 or something, you know, used. Anyway, that's it, guys. I just would share that with you all.